Welcome, and congratulations on purchasing your Robot Platinum cleaning system, the latest cleaning technology that uses the power of nature to eliminate the dirt, dust, and garbage from your home. In the next few minutes, we'll help you to get to know your new machine. We'll show you the wide variety of applications it has, as well as the correct care you need to give it to obtain the maximum benefits from your investment. Your robot is equipped with nano-silver technology. It is the most innovative aspect of the machine and will allow you to sanitize the air in your house by killing 99.9% of bacteria, fungus, and viruses. The top of the tank is impregnated with nano-silver particles. When going through the water, the air in your house will be purified to a medical-grade level. You can now sleep in peace. Your robot is watching out for you. To set up the robot, start by filling the tank with water. The water should go up to the pivot limit, or about 3 liters. Do not put too much water to avoid overflowing. Place the robot over the tank and close the safety handles with a down-to-top motion. Place the robot on the rolling support. To vacuum, hook the robot hose to the air intake facing upwards. Match the entry markings and rotate to the right. Hook the hose to the curved pipe. It is in place when you hear a clicking sound. Then add the telescopic tube for you to reach high areas in the house or avoid bending. Extend it like that. Add the accessory of your choice and power the robot. Press on the power button. Every time you turn your robot on, the machine auto-calibrates. Wait for the check mark to be on, then choose your option. If you are vacuuming, you want to choose high here. Then you're ready to go. Once you're done, just dump the dirty water in the sink. To blow air, remove the hose from the hole facing upwards. Unscrew the cap on the other side and place the hose in this hole. Turn on the machine and you're ready to use the air blowing function. The robot is equipped with a safety feature. If you remove the robot while it's on, it will automatically turn off to prevent accidents thanks to the safety breaker on the bottom. The powered nozzle is designed for cleaning carpeted surfaces and can also be used on wood, synthetic and ceramic tile floors, or even your mattress. To set it up, take the electric hose and insert it in the main air intake. Match the entry markings and rotate to the right. Then plug the electric cord by lifting the cover. Take the telescopic tube and insert the electric hose by matching the plugs. This hose has an ergonomically designed handle for greater comfort. To mount the powered brush, press the telescopic tube above the neck of the brush and push it until you hear a click. Turn on the robot, then press the pedal on the brush with your foot until you free the neck. Pull the handle back and the brush will automatically turn its light on, allowing you to illuminate hard-to-see areas. The powered nozzle has a wide variety of characteristics. On the lower part, you'll find a collector. This collector, along with the telescopic tube, allow you to efficiently vacuum corners and below furniture. Underneath the brush is a durable, high-quality roller. If a large object gets stuck in the roller, the brush will automatically stop so that the object does not go into the motor. Just turn off the robot, remove the object from the roller. Press the restart button located on the back and simply turn the power back on to keep vacuuming. Once you're done, just turn the power off, unplug the telescopic tube by pressing here, and unhook the electric hose from the robot. The robot is great for cleaning the air. To do so, unscrew the cap on the back of the machine. Then press the fan button. As you'll notice, the robot now sucks up the air through the air intake. The The air then passes through the water and back out, clean of dust and bacteria. The robot allows you to clean the air for a certain amount of time. Use the timer on the front panel to choose how long you want the robot to clean the air. You can set that time for up to 2 hours. While cleaning the air, you can choose to add deodorant or various fragrances. To add deodorant, squeeze a few drops in the water tank, then place the machine on top and close the safety handles. A few drops will be enough to eliminate odors caused by tobacco or cooking, to name a few. To aromatize your home, repeat this process with the scent of your choice. You can also drop some of the scent or deodorant directly in the air intake. You're now ready to experience a clean and fresh home. Your robot comes with several useful accessories that will make your life easier in several house cleaning situations. Let's take a look at them. This brush is used to clean wooden floors, as well as ceilings and walls in your house. It has wheels for easier movement. This is a fabric brush. You can use it to clean all types of upholstered furniture, such as sofas, armchairs, or pillows. It can also be used to vacuum water when removing the bristle. Use the dusting brush when you wish to clean delicate surfaces such as glass, ceramic, porcelain, or electrical appliances. This is the corner accessory. Before plugging it to the hose, make sure you remove the toothbrush in it. This accessory will help you vacuum those difficult spots in your house. Use the spray gun to fumigate your plants or spray in the garden. Hook it to the curved tube and then hook the hose to the robot on the main outlet. Not the one facing upward, the one on the other side. Put your finger on the little hole on top of the spray gun and let your plants enjoy. The micro attachment has a dual function. You can use it to vacuum delicate electric appliances, or if you put the hose on the main outlet, you can use it to blow balloons. To vacuum water, use the fabric brush and remove the bristles. Once you're done, dry the hose by plugging it on the other side of the robot and putting the tube in the air intake. This will create a drying airflow. The robot's tank is 4 liter, and we usually fill it up to 3 liter. So if you think you are going to vacuum more than its tank capacity, use the robot with an empty tank. Cleaning clothes, stuffed animals, or pillows is also a feature of the robot. Use the bag provided with the machine. Put your objects in it. Hook the hose to the air intake. Place the bag around the brush, then suck the air out of the bag. Then hold on to the bag and switch the hose outlet, then blow air back. Repeat the process 3 times and it's cleaned. You can also vacuum seal your belongings for added storage space in your house. To do so, use the bag provided with the robot. Close it like that. Then insert the hose on this hole and turn your robot on. Seal the bag and you gain storage space. The maintenance on your robot is simple. When you're done using it, empty the tank. Clean it by putting soap in the tank, then rinse it. The next step is to unscrew the turbine underneath your machine and clean it with the toothbrush under regular tap water. Once you've done that, screw the turbine back and you're ready to use the robot again. After about 180 hours of using the robot, you should bring it back to your dealership for maintenance. When it's time for that, you will see this little sign blink when you turn on your robot.